కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ తెలుసు.
మీరు ఇలా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడం వల్ల విష్ణు విశాల్ గారు చిక్కుల్లో పడతారు.
I can understand everything now, so slowly I'll start talking also. I want to talk it right, so that's why I'm waiting. So why we are talking, why she asked me a lot of questions about marriage and husband and wife is because this movie is not just a sports film. It's a movie about the relationship between a husband and wife. So please go with your families, go with your pair, and we have a small message in the movie which is about men and women being equal. So I think equality is what we are going to convey through this movie. So I want all the women here to go and watch this movie for that. Okay? Promise for all the women that we have made this movie for, please go and watch this movie. December 2nd, Matti Kusti in theaters.
And your association with Ravi Teja garu, how was it, having a conversation with him?
No, like I said, I've told at many places, I think he's someone who trusted me completely, and I really adore him for what he's done for me and for this movie and for a lot of people associated to this movie. But one thing I can guarantee, through this movie, as a producer, he has done something really good for the audience and the women in the society. Once people watch this movie, they'll understand why. It's full-on entertainment, but the message is really, really good. So I think people will really appreciate him for producing this movie. Already we all love him as an actor. With this, I think everybody will love him as a producer. So he's given us full freedom to deliver what we want, and on December 2nd, people will watch it and like it.
Yes, of course, we are waiting to watch the movie. So yes, andram relate ayye factors ee cinemalo chaala unnayi with complete entertainment. So don't miss this wonderful film by Ravi Teja garu and Vishnu Vishal garu, and of course mana beautiful Aishwarya Lakshmi. ఒక్కసారి మైకిల్ తీసుకుంటా.
Thank you all.
ఎందుకంటే
Thank you.
మళ్ళీ
Love
మీ
you all.
చేత స్టెప్పులు వేయించుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాం మ్యామ్. యా ఇంకొకసారి సేమ్ స్టెప్ ఇంకొకసారి చేస్తే మన వాళ్ళందరూ ఫాలో అయిపోతారు. 2-3 పీపుల్. అమ్మాయిలు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? ఇందాక దాకా అమ్మాయిలు రాలేదు.